To transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to MetaMask. Start by opening your Crypto.com account and navigating to the account dashboard. From there, click on the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select the withdraw option. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and click on the three dots next to the account name. Then select the copy address option to copy the wallet address. It is essential to ensure you are copying the correct address, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Go back to your Crypto.com account and paste the MetaMask wallet address into the recipient address field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any potential losses. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and select the network fee. It is crucial to choose the correct network, such as the Ethereum network for Ethereum transfers, to avoid any delays or losses. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount, recipient address, and network fee, before confirming the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, it will be processed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your MetaMask wallet. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions may take some time to process, depending on the network congestion and the fee you have chosen. Always prioritize security and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions. Keep your private keys and wallet addresses safe, and never share them with anyone. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to MetaMask. Remember to always double-check the transaction details and prioritize security to ensure a safe and successful transfer.